Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Let me just start this off by saying I'm not a financial advisor, just some guy investing on the internet. Now today I'm going to show you guys how to sell Dogecoin on Robinhood. I'm not saying that I'm selling personally, but this is how you do it if you wanted to sell Dogecoin. So as you can see, I'm logged on to Robinhood. I'm going to scroll all the way down until you can see Dogecoin. As you can see right now, I own over 4,000 shares. So I'm going to click on Dogecoin. And then at the very bottom, you see the buy option and then the sell option. So you're going to click on the sell option. So at the very top, you see how many Dogecoins you currently have that you could sell. So if I did want to sell, so I'm just going to type it in. Say if I wanted to sell 4,000 shares. So after I type in the amount of Doge I would like to sell for market price, I just had to click on review. And then after that, I'll just swipe up. And then I would have successfully sold Dogecoin. Now, again, not a financial advisor or anything, just showing you guys how the app works. And let me know how many Dogecoin you currently own. What are you selling at? Or are you going to buy into this dip? If you guys do end up selling, I have a daily Dogecoin investing series where I'm showing you guys how much profit and loss I am losing or gaining on a daily basis. So feel free to subscribe and check out that playlist. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.